We're at the park. Look at that crown going up in the north. That is impressive. That's not the storm we're going to go after, but I definitely like the structure on that. This is more showery stuff, but definitely nice park stuff. Look, they got Redwing blackbirds. They got those back where I live. At least I think that's Redwing blackbird. Those suckers are actually in a little swoop at you if you go near their nest. Ask me how I know that. Someone tipped over that Frisbee golf thing. It looks like a river or birch or cottonwood. Get out of here, mosquito. It's one thing I wish they didn't have here.